Hello, I just wanted to show you a simple air gap that I made for a water softener discharge into a 1.5-inch standpipe. What you will need is a drain coupler, a short segment about 3 inches of the 1.5-inch pipe, a piece of copper tubing, a PEX connector with a 1/2-inch male pipe thread that you can see that I've soldered a discharge tube into, and then a cap to fit over everything. It makes a very elegant air gap. I will show you how I assemble it, and it should be perfectly within code. This goes into here, and we thread it together. The cap is tapped and drilled and tapped with a 3/4-inch silver Deming bit centered on the cap, and then threaded with a 1/2-inch pipe thread, 14 threads per inch, national pipe thread standard. This is then threaded into, after I've constructed this, with just a simple solder, perfect internal sleeve fit on the 1/2-inch male pipe threads to the 1/2-inch copper tubing for splash guard. Put it in like this, assemble it. Like so. This pipe is drilled out on a drill press with just a simple drill going back and forth. A mill or even multiple drills with files could make the air vents. These are about 2.5 inches long, and these are either on your drill press or multiple drill holes and filing, or even a mill could rapidly make that piece. This then goes on to the coupler, which then will go on a standpipe, and this will go into the top of it, of the standpipe, and you can see the air gap was well above the standpipe. And then I have a vertical connection from the water softener with the PEX tubing, and this will be crimped on to the PEX fitting with a circle pinch clamp. This will then be PVC cemented to the top of the standpipe, and this will make a complete air gap for the water softener discharge. Thank you for watching. Hope this helps you.